In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion dashboard in literally 1 minute, tailored to help you manage your tasks, projects, and calendar effectively. Notion is such a versatile tool, offering endless possibilities for organizing your life, so let's dive right in and create your personalized dashboard. First, start by navigating to your Notion account. Once you're logged in and at the home page, locate and click on the option to Create Page. This is your blank slate, ready to be transformed into a powerful dashboard. Once your new page is open, go ahead and type To Do. You'll see a suggestion for inserting a to-do list. Click on that. This list is perfect for jotting down daily tasks or reminders, keeping you on top of your everyday commitments. Next, let's add a table to track your projects. To do this, type /table view into your page, and once prompted, select Table View. This is especially handy for grouping information, allowing you to keep project details neat and structured. You can name the columns according to your needs, such as project status or deadlines, giving you an overview of all your ongoing projects. For the final part of our dashboard, let's bring your calendar into the mix. In your Notion page, type Calendar. Yes, it's that simple. Once you see the calendar option pop up on the screen, click the plus sign beside it, and then select Calendar. Voila! You now have a calendar integrated into your dashboard, linking your task deadlines and project timelines directly with specific dates for a seamless workflow. At this point, your dashboard is already looking robust. To fine-tune it further, you might want to add additional properties to your table or change views to suit your style. Simply click on Add Property while viewing your table to include more fields, which can be customized for additional data like priority levels, notes, or team assignments. Alternatively, if you want to save time with design and layout, explore Notion's template options. Head over to the Template section and type Dashboard in the search bar. Browse through the selections and choose a template that resonates with your needs. After making a choice, click on Add, then Add to Private or Workspace, depending on your preference. This allows you to import a pre-structured dashboard into your own space, offering a polished and professional look with minimal effort. Once everything is set, don't forget to click on See Template to verify that your dashboard meets your expectations. With just a few clicks, you've now created a Notion dashboard that combines to-do lists, project tables, and a calendar in under a minute. And there you have it, a powerful organizational tool ready to streamline your productivity. Remember, you can always return to your dashboard to make tweaks and adjustments as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.